everybody, how you doing? How you doing? And welcome back. So I got some running around to do, and I don't know. I think actually there is a car show going on tonight. So got some running around to do. Then we'll go check out the car show this evening here in Shreveport, and yeah, let's get some more footage. But first, what's the weather like? What do I drive today? What do I drive? Let's see. Hold up. What is the weather like? All right. Nice day. Nice day. All right, cool. All right. Nice day out. What do we drive? Bella, cut it out. Jesus, damn dog. And you still talking back? Why don't you come see me? Come here. Come here. Come here. We just gonna talk back and forth? Come on. Look, nobody's here. Told you, look, nobody's here. Look, who is it? It's just me. Ladies and gentlemen, the best guard dog in the business. That's Bella. Say hi, Bella. Speak. Bella, speak. Oh, you just, all right, you're not gonna speak. All right, that's cool, that's cool. But, what do we drive? What do we drive? Oh, donuts. I wonder if they're fresh. Oh, hey, keys. All right, so looks like we got Nissan, Jaguar, Corvette. Well, nice day outside. Ooh, nice and dark out. Nice and dark. Okay, how about this? Oh, there she is. How about, let's get a little cold start action. Man, she is gorgeous. So is he. Hey, where's the Nissan? All right, Nissan's gone. So it was either this or the Jaguar. Let's see what kind of day we're having. Let's. I said it again. Actually, I said it before. I'm gonna say it again. That never gets old. So let's do some running around. I think we'll go ahead and meet up with the missus probably. See what she's doing. Finish this Christmas shopping, because when you got kids and grandkids, Christmas shopping is a bit of a hassle. So a little bit about me though. I don't like walking around in the stores and all that. Listen, I'm the type, when I go to the store, I'm in and out. I go in, get what I need, I'm gone. I'm not walking up and down this aisle, that aisle, looking for this or that. I'm not doing it. That's not me. My wife knows we go shopping. She got a good 30, 40 minutes before I'm either headed to the car or leaning over the shopping cart. So, yeah, so if she catches me leaning over the shopping cart, it's time to go. Straight up. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I mean, if that's the case, what's the purpose of a shopping list? Like, you come with a shopping list, and let's just get the list, get what's on the list, and get gone. I'm not, I don't know. Maybe because I'm another year older or something. I don't know. By the way, my birthday was yesterday. So yeah, it was good times. This was a wild weekend, but a fun one. So with all that said and done and said, let's go.